In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links let visitors jump straight to a specific part of a page, which is perfect for long pages like FAQs, services, or product details. We'll keep it simple and follow the built-in Squarespace flow so everything works smoothly. First, open your site editor and look to the left side of the screen. Click Website, then select Pages. This takes you to your list of pages so you can choose exactly where you want to add your anchor links. Click into the page where you want this to work. Now, before you add the clickable link, you'll first define where that link should land. Scroll to the section of the page you want people to jump to when they click. We're choosing the destination first, so the link you copy is accurate and easy to paste. Click directly on that section to select it, then click Edit Section at the top right. In the section settings that open, you'll see an option labeled Anchor Link. This is the unique URL that points to this exact section on the page. Click the copy button next to it, and Squarespace will copy that link to your clipboard. That's the hard part done. Next, decide what you want people to click on. This could be a text snippet, a button, an image, or any element that supports links. For text, highlight the specific words you want to become a link. For a button or image, just select the element. With the element selected, click the link button. Set the link type to URL. This is important because you're pasting a web address that points to your section, not a page or file. Now paste the anchor link you copied earlier into the URL field. That link usually includes your page path followed by a hashtag and the section identifier, which tells the browser exactly where to scroll. Once you've pasted it, that's it. Your element now links directly to the section you chose. When visitors click the text, button, or image, the page will jump or smoothly scroll to that spot, making navigation faster and more intuitive. You can repeat this process for as many elements as you like on the same page. It's a great way to create a quick table of contents at the top of a page, or to guide visitors from a hero button straight to pricing, features, or contact details. And that's all there is to it. Copy the section's anchor link, paste it into any linkable element as a URL, and you're good to go.